In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Amazon Prime Video. Because Prime Video uses your main Amazon account, updating your Amazon password will update it for Prime Video everywhere you watch, from your phone to your TV apps. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few best practices so you can do this quickly and securely. Start by opening a web browser and heading to Amazon.com. It's easiest to do this on a computer, though the steps are similar on mobile. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Amazon account you use for Prime Video. At the top right of the homepage, look for Account and Lists. Click it, and you'll land on your account dashboard. From there, find and select Login and Security. This is the place where Amazon keeps your core sign-in details, including your name, email, phone number, two-step verification, and, importantly, your password. On the Login and Security page, locate the Password section. Click the Edit button next to it. You'll be taken to a secure screen where you can change your password. First, you'll be asked to enter your current password. This confirms it's really you making the change. Next, type your new password. Choose something strong and unique. Think a long passphrase, or a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything you've used before on Amazon or other sites, and skip easily guessed info like birthdays or common words. If you use a password manager, generate and save a strong password there to keep it both secure and memorable. After that, re-enter the new password exactly the same way to confirm it. Take a moment to double-check for typos, especially if you're on a phone keyboard, so you don't lock yourself out. When everything looks correct, click Save Changes. Amazon may prompt you for an additional verification, such as a one-time code, depending on your security settings. That's normal and helps protect your account. Once saved, your Amazon password is updated immediately. After the change, you might be signed out on some devices and apps, including Prime Video on smart TVs, streaming sticks, game consoles, and mobile apps. If that happens, just sign back in with your new password. It's also a good idea to update your password manager entry so it stays in sync. That's it. You've successfully changed your Amazon password, and your Prime Video sign-in is updated too. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to test your new login on the device you use most so you're ready for your next movie night.